Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. This setup is actually a low-key test as well, among other things. This setup is a test I'm playing around with certain setups. You might see it higher or lower. I'm currently using my iPhone to actually record via OBS and whatnot, which you can do. If you would like more information on how to do it, just let me know in the comment section below. But what I'm here to do is unbox this. This is a Samsung T7. Full review in the future, stay tuned. But I just want to unbox it with you guys. It's going to not be the most elegant unboxing in the world. Okay, guys. Okay, so here we are. We are unboxing this. I'm seeing for the next time that I'll have to raise the tripod that my iPhone is on right now. Uh, so yeah, definitely give me feedback if you guys want, but at least you guys can see the unboxing this time. Usually it ends up being off camera. Go ahead, feel free to let me know in the comments. I know that it ends up being off camera. Okay, so this box, we don't need it anymore, I don't think. I'll keep it just in case. Oh wait. Maybe we do need it after. Actually, I think we do need it. I almost tossed the box. Let's look at what's in the box before I just toss it. What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, wow. Wow. Tossing it will have been a horrible idea, guys. The actual drive is in here. Because for those of you guys that don't know, the T7 is an SSD, external SSD, and that was in here. I would have tossed it. I would have tossed it wherever. It would most likely survive because the big benefit of an SSD compared to the regular hard drive is the fact that there's no moving parts per se in it. So, moving it around with that doesn't risk crashing it forever, corrupting your files like that. I'm going to set it to the side so I can show you what else is in the box. Okay. Okay, so this part, which I thought the T7 was in, actually contains two cables. They are data cable, data. I was going to say, let me know in the comment section below if you say data or data, but they're both spelled the same way, so I don't know exactly how that's going to work. But yeah, this is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. This is USB Type-A to USB Type-C. And the SSD actually uses, as you get, USB Type-C. And since I'm going to be using it on a Mac, I'll be using this. But the interesting thing about the SSD, you can transfer it back and forth. I have both a Mac and a PC, so transferring back and forth might be very useful. And yeah, in the future, I'm definitely going to, bring this up a bit. It might be a little shaky because, I'm trying to bring it up a little bit right now. Okay, there we go. It's up a little bit now more. Hopefully that's better for you guys. I don't know if it is. Maybe I can get a little closer as a result. I can. I figured out how stuff works, guys. Okay. Well, I'm going to end it here. Okay. Feel free to give me your feedback about this. I usually don't do wide shots like this. I'd like to know what you guys think. And also what you gotta think about the unboxing experience in general. Should I stick to just reviewing tech, or should I become one of them unboxing channels as well? Let me know. Comment section below. I'll catch you guys in the future. Later.